type one system. So we have to select. So this is S-plane contour. So this is path number 1, and this is path number 2. This is path number 3. Then this is path number 4. So we have to select S-plane contour like this. Okay. So now, what is the formula to find principle of argument, that is mapping function? What is the formula for n? N equal to p minus z. Okay, this p determined from S-plane contour. What is p? Number of open loop poles inside the S-plane contour. Okay, p is number of open loop poles inside the S-plane contour. What is z? Number of closed loop poles. Okay, number of closed loop poles in the right half of S-plane. So n equal to what? Number of encirclements in G of S-plane contour with respect to -1. So very important. I repeat again. What is P? Number of open loop poles in the right half of S-plane. So what is P? Number of open loop poles in the right half of S-plane. What is Z? Number of closed loop poles in the right half of S-plane. What is N? Number of encirclements in G of S-plane contour with respect to S equal to -1. So இது மறந்துடாதீங்க. So உங்களுக்கு டைரக்டா காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம்ல டிஎன்இபி டிஆர்பில இந்த ஃபார்முலா வச்சு தான் சம் சால்வ் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. Again I repeat, what is P? What is P? Number of open loop poles inside the S-plane contour, or inside S-plane contour, or number of open loop poles in the right half of S-plane. What is Z? Number of closed loop poles in the right half of S-plane. What is N? Number of encirclements with respect to S equal number of encirclements in G of S-plane contour with respect to S equal to -1. Yes, anyone tell me? I will ask the name. Yes, Anbarasi irukringla? Anbarasi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is P?
Number of open loop pole in RH side, sir.
Another?
Number of open loop pole in RH side, sir. RH side of S-plane.
Yes, number of open loop poles in right hand side of S-plane.
S-plane.
Okay. Next, Pavadarani.
Sir,
Yes, what is this?
number of closed loop poles in the right half of S-plane.
Very good. Number of closed loop poles in the right half of S-plane. Dinesh Raja.
Sir.
Carrot juice எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்களா?
எடுத்துட்டேன் சார்.
நம்பலாமா?
கண்டிப்பா சார்.
Okay, thank you. What is N?
Number of poles encircling, sir.
கரெக்ட்டா சொல்லுங்க.
தமிழ்ல கரெக்ட்டா சார். Number of poles with reference.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க. கரெக்ட்டா சொல்லுங்க.
-1 ரெஃபரன்ஸ் வச்சு எத்தனை சர்க்கிள்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு.
Very good. Number of encirclements in G of S-plane contour with respect to S equal to -1. So now, if Z equal to 0, closed loop system is stable or unstable?
Stable, sir.
Closed loop system is stable. If Z not equal 0, then closed loop system is unstable. Okay.
Unstable with.
Yes. Today we will start a new topic, important topic: gain margin and phase margin. Okay. New topic: gain margin and phase margin. Take today new topic: gain margin and phase margin. ஒரு 1 hour சும்மா பாருங்க. 1 hour க்கு அப்புறம் தான் நியூ டாபிக். Yes, first I will say, take first one, system 1. System 1, G of S equal to K by S into S plus 2, S plus 4. Yes, take another system 2. So gain margin used to compare the two different systems. So K by S into S plus 1, S plus 2. So system 1, g of s equal to k by s into s plus 2 s plus 4, and system 2, g of s equal to k by s into s plus 1 s plus 2. So these two different system. Now we can draw the Nyquist plot. So 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. So we can draw the Nyquist plot. Yes, student, draw the Nyquist plot. Yesterday I told how to draw. I will give you 1 minute time. Please draw the Nyquist plot. Yes. Now, so path number 1, for path number 1, we have to draw the polar plot. So what is the type number of system?
1, sir.
1. So starting magnitude?
Minus 90 degree.
Now magnitude கேட்டா நீங்க ஏதோ சொல்றீங்க. What is starting magnitude?
8.
Infinity, sir.
Infinity. Replace s equals 0. So anything by 0, infinity. Starting magnitude infinity with the starting phase angle
Minus 90 degree.
minus 90 degree. So உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி start ஆகும். Now how many poles? 3 poles. So what is ending phase angle?
Minus 270
Minus
degree.
270 degree. So we'll end like this. So we can draw Nyquist plot. So this is path number 1. Here omega equals 0, magnitude infinity. Here omega infinity, magnitude 0. This okay, no? This is take path number 1. Yes, here we have a S. So in G of S plane contour, we have a minus theta. Okay, we have minus theta. For minus theta, what we can say angle? In S plane contour, theta varying from minus 90 degree to plus 90 degree. Minus theta varying from plus 90 degree to minus 90 degree. Yesterday we discussed it. Varying from plus 90 degree to minus 90 degree. So yesterday I told us, see again, if you need take. So this is S plane contour. So path number 1 completed. Then next we can draw the path number 2, 3, and path number 4. So for path number 1, we need to draw the polar plot. Now for path number 2, we have to draw the inverse polar plot. For path number 2, we have to draw the inverse polar plot. So how will you draw inverse polar plot? Sorry, path number 3. Sorry, this you take in order. You take 2. This is path number 3. Path number 1, 2, 3, 4. For path number 3, we have to draw the inverse polar plot. How will you draw inverse polar plot? Minus 270 degree. Yes. So see the arrow mark. This is for path number 3. So path number 2 always at origin. So what about path number 4? Varying from plus 90 degree to minus 90 degree. So path number 4 enga start agum. We'll start from path ending of path 3 ஓட ending தான் path number 4. அப்ப path 3 இங்க end ஆகுது, அங்க path number 4 start ஆகும். அப்ப 90 டிகிரில ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் எங்க போவோம்? 0 degree, next minus 90 degree. This is path number 4. Yesterday we completed. So for path number 1 we have to draw the polar plot. So always path number 2 at origin. For path number 3 draw inverse polar plot. For path number 4 draw the angle from 90 degree to minus 90 degree. So this is Nyquist plot. This is G of S-plane contour, or we can call it as a Nyquist plot. Yes, now here we have a frequency. What is the name of that frequency?
Omega PC.
Omega PC. What is full form of omega PC? Phase
Phase
crossover
crossover
frequency.
frequency.
Omega PC is a phase crossover frequency. We have the formula for omega PC. What is the value of omega PC? Square root of
P1,
2
P2.
into 4. So omega PC value root 8. So at this point frequency root 8. Now we can find magnitude. So how will you write magnitude equation? K by omega square root of omega square plus 4, then square root of omega square plus 16. Okay, so now how will you write magnitude at root 8? K by omega replaced as root 8, then here root 12, then here root 24. So what is the value of magnitude at omega PC? K by
48.
48. Up at this point frequency omega PC is root 8. What is magnitude? K by 48. Magnitude is K by 48. So at this point frequency omega PC is root 8. So magnitude is K by 48. Magnitude is K by 48. Yes, now consider from S-plane contour, what is P? See, P
Zero,
is number
sir.
of poles
Zero,
inside
sir.
S-plane contour. These 3 poles are outside of S-plane contour. So P equal to 0. Closed loop system is stable if Z equal to 0. Am I correct? Closed loop system is stable if Z equal to 0. Closed loop system is stable if Z equal to 0. Closed loop system is stable if Z equal to 0. Therefore, what should be the value? N must be 0. So from S-plane contour P0, closed loop system is stable if Z equal to 0. Up P0 na Z0 na N must be 0. So to get N as 0, what should be the value of K by 48? See, listen, N is number of encirclements in G of S-plane contour. அப்ப S equal to minus 1ங்கிற பாயிண்ட் சர்க்கிள்குள்ள இருக்கணுமா வெளிய இருக்கணுமா?
வெளியில
உள்ள இருந்தா -1 சுத்தி 1 2 encirclement. So N is not equal to 0. அப்ப to get N value 0, -1 should be outside of this contour. அப்ப K by 48 எப்படி இருக்கணும்? Is it K by 48 is less than 1 or greater than 1? ஏன்னா அந்த K by 48 வந்து இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கும். So sorry, இந்த distance, this distance K by 48 must be less than 1. அப்ப what should be the value of K? Less than K value less than 48, but maximum value of K என்னன்னு சொல்லிக்கலாம் 48 ன்னு சொல்லலாம். That maximum value of K is called as a gain margin. So gain margin equal to 48. So listen, I will repeat again. Gain margin very important for competitive exam. I will repeat once more. From S-plane contour, what is the value of P? From S-plane contour, what is the value of P? 0. Closed loop system is stable if Z equal to 0. This we discussed. Closed loop system is stable only if Z equal to 0. அப்ப PU 0, Z 0 னா n எப்படி இருக்கணும்? n must be 0. அப்ப n must be 0 னா n is called as a number of encirclements with respect to -1. அப்ப -1 உள்ள இருந்தா n value 0 or not equal to 0? If -1 வந்து இங்க இருந்துச்சுனா what is the value of n?
1 sir.
இது ஒரு circle, இது ஒரு encirclements. அப்ப what is the value of n? 2. Whether +2 or -2? This also clockwise, this also clockwise. So n
-2
value
sir.
-2. But நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வேணும்? n must be 0. n must be 0 னா இந்த -1 lies inside circle or outside of circle? -1 lies outside. அப்ப இந்த distance எப்படி இருக்கணும்? k by 48.
Less than
Therefore k by 48 must be less than 1. So k value less than 48. The value of k maximum 48 வரைக்கும் இருக்கலாம். So that is called as a gain margin. So gain margin equal to 48. Note down answer. Gain margin equal to 48. Gain margin equal to 48. Gain margin equal to 48. Now what is the definition of gain margin? It is the maximum value of k so that system is stable. Take
sir less than -1 sir.
எது
1 -1.
-1 இல்ல distance தான் பார்க்கறோம்.
Okay sir.
அதனால 1 எடுத்தா போதும். less than -1 கிடையாது, distance மட்டும். Yes,
Okay.
take the maximum value of system gain k. Definition of gain margin: the maximum value of system gain k so that system is stable. The maximum value of system gain k. The maximum value of system gain k so that system is stable. The maximum value of system gain k. The maximum value of system gain k so that system is stable. The maximum value of system gain k so that system is stable. So the maximum value of k so that system is stable. So k equal to 48 வரைக்கும் system stable. k 49 இருந்தா system என்ன ஆயிரும்? Unstable ஆயிரும். Suppose இங்க k 49 போட்டீங்கன்னா suppose assume k value 49. அப்ப 49 by 48 which is less than 1 or greater than 1? Greater than 1. அப்ப 1ங்கற பாயிண்ட் -1 சர்க்கிள் குள்ள இருக்குமா வெளிய இருக்குமா? உள்ள இருக்கும். அப்ப உள்ள இருக்கறனால n ஓட வேல்யூ என்னது? Not equal to 0. If n not equal to 0, p equal to 0 na z also not equal to 0. If z not equal to 0, then system is unstable. So what is gain margin?
The maximum
value of system gain k so that system is stable. That is called as a gain margin. Now find gain margin of system 2, student. Find a gain margin of system 2. System 1 க்கு நான் solve பண்ணியாச்சு. Now you repeat for system 2. Find a gain margin. Find a gain margin of system 2. Find a gain margin for system 2. Find a gain margin for system 2. Yes, for second problem, 0 degree, 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 200 degree. So type 1 system, starting phase angle minus 90 degree with the starting magnitude infinity. So here omega 0, here omega infinity. So this is path number 1. So path number 2 is at origin. Then path number 3 inverse. So மேலும் கீழே ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கணும். So this is path number 3. So this is path number 3. What about path number 4? Yes, yes இருந்தா நான் சொன்னேன் என்ன டிகிரி 90 degree to minus 90 degree for s square, 180 degree to minus 180 degree for s cube, 270 degree to minus 270 degree. This we discussed in previous class. As per that, for s 90 degree to minus 90 degree. This is path number 4. Yes, at this point we can find omega BC. What is the value of omega BC? Square root of
Root 2.
root
Root
2.
2, sir.
Now write magnitude equation. S k divided by omega square root of omega square plus 1 square root of omega square plus 4. Yes, what is magnitude at root 2? K divided by root 2, root 3, root 6. Therefore, k by 6. 6 are correct. K by 6. So now what is this distance? K by 6. So from S-plane contour, what is the value of P? Number of poles inside S-plane contour is 0. So what is the value of P? 0. So if P equal to 0, what is the value of Z? Must be 0. Closed loop system is stable if Z equal to 0. We know the formula N equal to P minus Z. So if P 0, Z 0, N also 0. So N must 0. N must be 0. Appa N must be 0 na. Minus 1 lies inside the contour or outside the contour?
Outside.
Minus 1 lies outside the contour. Appa k by 6 எப்படி இருக்கணும்? Should be less than 1. So k value less than 6. So what is k maximum? 6. That is called as a gain margin 6. Yes, first system I gave. For first system, what is gain margin? 48. For second system, what is gain margin? 6. Now, which system have more gain margin? Listen, which system have more gain margin? System 1. So, which one is more stable? System 1 is relatively more stable than system 2. Up to here, right? Gain margin 6. See, gain margin of system 1 greater than gain margin of system 2. Gain margin of system 1 greater than gain margin of system 1 greater than gain margin of system 2. Because of our system 1 gain margin is 48 greater than for system 2 gain margin 6. So gain margin of system 1 is greater than gain margin of system 2. So which one is more stable? System 1 is relatively more stable than system 2. Right conclusion. System 1 is relatively more stable. System 1 is relatively more stable than system 2. System 1 is relatively more stable than system 2. System 1 is relatively more stable than system 2. Yes, now take procedure to find gain margin. Procedure to find gain margin. Take first point. Procedure to find gain margin. First point. Yes, in the sum enna first point enna find out பண்ணோம். Nyquist plot வரைஞ்சாச்சு. Plot வரைஞ்சாச்சு. Next என்ன find out பண்ணோம் first? Find
Omega PC.
very good. Find omega PC. Find omega PC. So in the sum see we written k by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. So plot draw பண்ணியாச்சு. After drawing the plot, first we calculated omega PC. So what is the value of omega PC for this problem? Root 2. What do you mean by omega PC? It is a frequency at which phase angle is
minus
minus
180.
180 degree. Second, find magnitude at omega PC. அதான் ஸ்டெப்ல பண்ணிப்போம். Find magnitude at omega PC. Find magnitude m at omega PC. Find capital M at omega PC. Capital M na modulus of g of j omega h of j omega. Third, gain margin equal to 1 by m at omega PC. Gain margin. So இந்த சம்முக்கு k by 6 வரும். அப்ப அதுக்கு ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் எடுத்தா என்ன வரும்? 6 வரும். அதுதான் gain margin. So gain margin equal to fourth point. Gain margin in dB. What is value? 20 log of 1 by magnitude at omega PC. This is formula for gain margin. To get gain margin in decibel, unit of gain margin is dB. So gain margin equal to 20 log of 1 by m at omega PC. Now here fifth case, if gain margin in dB equal to positive dB or gain margin in dB equal to negative dB or gain margin in dB equal to 0 dB or gain margin in dB equal to infinity. Or gain margin எப்படி வரும்? Greater than 1 வரும். If you substitute any value greater than 1, then 20 log of greater than 1 is positive dB. Or gain margin less than 1. Or gain margin equal to 1. Assume gain margin 1. Now substitute gain margin here 1. What is the value of log 1?
0.
0 dB. Or here infinity. In dB also infinity. So in the 4 point, very very important. So if you get gain margin greater than 1, what we can say? Stable system or unstable system? Stable system. I will explain with example. Stable system. If gain margin less than 1 or negative dB, we can call it as a unstable system. If gain margin equal to 1, we can say marginally stable system. If gain margin infinity, we can say absolutely stable system. So we have 4 cases. If gain margin greater than 1, illina positive dB, so stable system. If gain margin less than 1 or negative dB, we can say unstable system. If gain margin 0 dB or 1, we can say marginally stable system. If gain margin is infinity, we can say absolutely stable system. So is that point. What is first point? Find omega PC. What is second point? Find magnitude at omega PC. What is third point? Gain margin equal to 1 by magnitude at omega PC. Then to take into dB, take 20 log of gain margin. If gain margin positive dB, what is the answer? Stable system. If gain margin negative dB,
Unstable
if gain margin infinity dB, absolutely stable system. If gain margin equal to 1,
Marginally
is greater than 1.
stable system.
If gain margin less than 1,
unstable system.
இந்த 4 பாயிண்ட் அடிக்கடி கேட்பாங்க டான்செட்ல இல்ல TNEB TRB ல. So anyway, I will verify with you guys. Haritra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, if gain margin 1, அப்ப என்ன சிஸ்டம்?
Marginally stable.
Yes. Next to Pavitra.
Yes, sir.
If gain margin infinity, what is the name of system?
Absolute stable system.
Yes, very good. Next, Pradhiba, are you there? Pradhiba.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If gain margin 1 dB, what type of system?
Sir, marginal stable.
Hmm?
Sorry, sir. Stable system.
Yes, very good. If gain margin 1 dB, na stable system. Don't say marginally stable. Next, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
If gain margin 0 dB, what is the system?
Marginally stable system, sir.
Yes, if gain margin 0 dB, marginally stable system. Joseph. Joseph.
Yes, sir.
Yes, if gain margin minus 32.4 dB, what type of system? An answer. See, if gain margin negative dB, what we can say? Unstable system. Okay, va? Mayalagan. 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 Inga poitinga. Are you there or not? Oh, no. Next. Pon Kalishwari.
Yes, sir.
The Pon garada edha appa perang.
ஆமாங்க சார்.
என்ன பேருங்க?
பொன் காளிமுத்து.
ம்.
பொன் காளிமுத்துங்க சார் அப்பா பேரு.
ஓகே ஓகே. அது என்ன ஃபேமிலியோட நேமா?
ஆமாங்க சார்.
ஓகே ஓகே. Yes, 0.4. Gain margin is 0.4. What type of system?
Unstable system, sir.
Very good. Unstable system. Why? Gain margin less than 1.
Less than 1.
Unstable system. But நீங்களே என்ன பாருங்க நிறைய கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஆவீங்க ஆயிக்காதீங்க. So 1 means என்ன ஆன்சர்? Marginally stable system. Infinity means absolutely stable system. 1 dB means stable system. 0 dB means marginally stable system. Minus 32.4 dB means unstable system. 0.4 means unstable system.
Unstable
Okay.
system.
Anyway, take first problem, same concept. Take first problem. G of s equal to 10 by s into s plus 2 s plus 4. Find gain margin. G of s equal to 10 by s into s plus 2 s plus 4. G of s equal to 10 by s into s plus 2 s plus 4. 10 by s into s plus 2 s plus 4. Yes, first we can find omega PC. What is the value of omega PC? Square root of 8. Now magnitude equation 10 by omega square root of omega square plus 4, then square root of omega square plus 16. Find magnitude at root 8 omega PC. Therefore 10 by here what will you write? Root 8, then here root 12, then here root 24. So now what is magnitude at omega PC? Yes, 10 by 48. Now gain margin formula 1 by magnitude at omega PC. So what is the value? 48 by 10 or 4.8, which is greater than 1. Or we can write gain margin in dB 20 log of 4.8, but this they won't ask in without calculator we cannot solve. But suppose virtual calculator gate exam allowed. Now what is 20 log of 48? Check with calcium, tell me. 20 log of 4.8. 13.62 dB. Therefore stable system or unstable system? Stable system. Take second problem. G of s equal to 48 by s into s plus 2 s plus 4. G of s equal to 48 divided by s into s plus 2 s plus 4. The same problem. What is the value of omega pc? Root 8. Now magnitude equation 48 by omega
48.
square root of omega square plus 4, then square root of omega square plus 16. Now magnitude at root 48. What is answer? So root 8. Root 8 will get 48 by 48, which is equal to 1. So what is gain margin? 1. What is gain margin in dB? 0
20 log
dB.
1. 0 dB.
Therefore, what is answer? Log 1 0. Therefore, what is answer? Marginally stable. Marginally stable system. Take third problem. G of s equal to 50 by s into s plus 2 s plus 4. G of s equal to 50 divided by s into s plus 2 s plus 4. Find the gain margin. Same omega pc, same root 8. What is magnitude at omega pc? 50 by 48. Now what is gain margin? 48 by 50. What is value? 0.96, which is less than 1, or take in dB. Gain margin in dB 20 log of 0.96. 20 log of 0.96. So what is answer? Minus 0.35 dB. Therefore, stable or unstable system? Unstable system. Gain margin less than 1, or it is negative dB. So unstable system. So now correct now. If gain margin greater than 1, stable system. If gain margin 1, marginally stable system. If gain margin less than 1, unstable system. Or if gain margin negative dB, unstable system. If gain margin 0 dB, marginally stable system. If gain margin is positive dB, stable system. Yes, take fourth one. G of s equal to 10 by s plus 1 into s plus 2. G of s equal to, fourth problem, 10 by s plus 1 into s plus 2. First we can draw polar plot. 0 minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. Yes, at omega equal 0, what is magnitude? 0 degree magnitude, 1 by 2. How many poles? Student, tell me, how many poles? 2 poles. So what is ending phase angle?
Minus 180.
Minus 180 degree. Here omega infinity, magnitude 0. Or we can draw like this: omega magnitude phase angle. When omega equals 0, what is magnitude? 1 by 2. What is phase angle? 1 by 2 or 10 by 2? 10 by 2. So this is not 1 by 2, this is 10 by 2. So 10 by 2. Replace s equal to 0, we'll get 10 by 2. Now when omega infinity, what is magnitude? Omega infinity means the in the indirect s infinity. What is 10 by infinity? 0. Anything by infinity? 0. Another thing. So what is phase angle? Minus 180 degree. இது போன வருஷம் கேட்டாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் TNEB-ல last time EC-க்கு. Yes, now what is the value of omega PC? Root 2 wrong answer.
2 sir.
2 also wrong answer.
Omega PC இல்லைங்க sir.
Omega PC 0 also wrong answer. Can anyone say the correct answer? Very good. At omega equal to infinity, what is phase angle? At omega equal to infinity, what is phase angle? Minus 180 degree. Therefore, what is the value of omega PC?
Infinity.
Infinity. Now, what is magnitude at omega PC? So, what is the definition of phase crossover frequency? It is a frequency at which phase angle is minus 180 degree. Appa minus 180 degree when omega equal to infinity. Therefore, omega PC value infinity. So, what is magnitude at omega PC? 0. What is gain margin? 1 by magnitude at omega PC. So 1 by 0. What is the value? Infinity. In dB also, what is log infinity? Infinity dB. So what is conclusion? Absolutely stable system. Absolutely stable system. Then what is absolutely stable system? So K by S into S plus 2 S plus 4 0 degree minus 90 degree minus 180 degree minus 270 degree varum. So plot Vitron like this. This is path number 1, path number 2, path number 4. So inga value root 8. What is this value? K by 48. Okay, but see this problem. So here this is path number 1. So this is path number 2. This is path number 3. Path number 2. Okay. Yes. For this problem, student listen. For this problem, what is the value of P?
0 sir.
P value 0. அப்ப Z0 na stable. Z0 வா இருக்கணும்னா இந்த K by 48 எப்படி இருக்கணும்?
Less than 1.
Less than 1 ஆ இருக்கணும். இப்ப K value 48 less than 1 ஆ இருந்தா we can say as a stable. இதே K by 48 equal to 1, then what we can say?
Stable.
Marginally stable. If K by 48 greater than 1, so if K by 48 greater than 1 means minus 1 lies inside, so unstable.
Unstable.
So for this problem, by varying the value of K, the stability varies. The stability of this system depends on system gain K. So this system is called as a conditionally stable. I got my point. So in the K vary pandra now the stability varies. So stability of this system depends on K. Appa K oda condition vechu da stability derive பண்ணிருப்போம். Therefore this system is called as a conditionally stable system. Adu last எழுதிக்கலாம். I repeat again. So based on the condition of K, the stability varies. K less than 48 now stable. K equal to 48 means marginally stable. When K greater than 48, unstable. So based on the K value, condition varies. That's why this is called as a conditionally stable system. Now you assume this is instead of that we have K by S plus 1, S plus 2 இருக்கும். இப்ப K 10 ஆ இருந்தாலும் இந்த மாதிரி தான் பிளாட் வரும். இந்த மாதிரி தான் வரும். இந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் மட்டும் மாறும். பட் இது வந்து இங்க போகாது. -1 ஆல்வேஸ் எங்க இருக்கும்? Inside the contour or outside the contour?
Outside the.
நீங்க ஏன்னா இந்த வேரி பண்ண இதுதான் வேரி ஆகும். பட் இந்த ஆரிஜின் மாறாது. So -1 always lies outside the contour. அப்ப n always 0. அப்ப P0 n always 0ங்கறப்ப Z always 0. இங்க even though K value varies, the system stability does not varies. For all the values of K, system என்னவா இருக்கும்? Stable ஆ இருக்கும். That's why absolutely stable. So here the system is stable only for some condition. That's why called as a conditionally stable. But here the system is stable for all the values of K, so called as absolutely stable system. Please note down. So that is the meaning of absolutely stable. Take note down. G of S equal to G of S equal to K by G of S equal to K by S into S plus 2 into S plus 4. G of S equal to K by S into S plus 2 into S plus 4. So here stability depends on system gain K. G of S equal to K by S into S plus 2 into S plus 4. Here stability depends on K. Here stability depends on K. So called as a conditionally stable system. Here stability depends on K. So called as conditionally stable system. So called as conditionally stable system. Conditionally stable system. But here what we can say? Take another. G of S equal to K by S plus 1 into S plus 2. G of S equal to, next paragraph. G of S equal to K by S plus 1 into S plus 2. G of S equal to K by S plus 1 into S plus 2. Here what we can say? System is stable for all the values of K. System is stable for all the values of K. System is stable for all the values of K. System is stable for all the values of K. Therefore, system is stable for all the values of K. Therefore, called as absolutely stable system. Therefore, called as absolutely stable system. Any doubt? Take next question. G of S, H of S equal to K by S into S plus 2, S plus 4. Find K if gain margin equal to 20 dB. Find K if gain margin equal to 20 dB. Yes, solve this problem. This is also a very important question. One number TRB la get a question. Yes, you do the repeat same. Omega BC value. What is omega BC? Root 8. Find magnitude equation K by omega square root of omega square plus 4 square root of omega square plus 16. Find a magnitude at omega BC. What is the value? K by 48. So now find gain margin. What is gain margin? 48 by K. Now they given in dB. Therefore, what is gain margin in dB? 20 log of 48 by K, they given as a 20. Because of gain margin, they given as a 20 dB. So now by comparing both, what? 20 will get cancelled. So what is the value of log of 48 by K? 1. Yes. Now how will you remove log? Anti-log Zavila. See, right side take 10 power. So now 48 by K we can write as a 10 power 1. Therefore, what is the value of K? 4.8. So K value 4.8. Take next one. Procedure to find PM, phase margin. Procedure to find phase margin. Procedure to find phase margin. Take next one. Procedure to find phase margin. Procedure to find phase margin. Yes, here take first step. Find omega GC. So gain margin la, what is first step? Find omega PC. In phase margin, what is first step? Find omega GC. What is omega GC? Gain cross over frequency. Gain cross over frequencies. First find omega GC. What is omega GC? I will explain. Second, so anga second step another. Find magnitude at omega PC. But here find phase angle at omega GC. Find phase angle at omega GC. Find phase angle at omega GC. Third, phase margin equal to 180 degree plus phase angle at omega GC. Phase margin equal to 180 degree plus phase angle at omega GC. Here fourth point, phase margin of system 1 greater than phase margin of system 2. Now out of these two systems, which one is have more phase margin? System 1. So system 1 is relatively more stable. System 1 is relatively more stable than system 2. So now which one is more stable? Whether system, so system 1 have more phase margin. So system 1 is relatively more stable than system 2. Similarly for gain margin. If confused pannikadinga, gain margin of system 1 greater than gain margin of system 2. Yes, now which one is more stable? Same. System 1 is relatively more stable than system 2. But fifth point, if phase margin positive degree, negative degree, 0 degree, infinity. If phase margin positive degree, negative degree, 0 degree, infinity. So positive degree means what we can say? Stable system or unstable system? Positive degree, stable system. Negative degree means negative degree, unstable system. 0 degree means marginally stable system. Infinity means absolutely stable. So in the null concept important. Same as gain margin, positive dB means stable, negative dB means unstable, 0 dB means marginally stable, infinity dB means absolutely stable. So phase margin positive degree na stable, negative degree na unstable, 0 degree na marginally stable, infinity na absolutely stable. But here I will give the 3 model. Take model 1. Take model 1. G of s equal to take 10 by s into s plus 1 s plus 2. Take g of s equal to 10 by s into s plus 1 s plus 2. G of s equal to 10 by s into s plus 1 s plus 2. Now we can draw a polar plot. 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. What is starting magnitude? Type 1 system. What is starting magnitude? Infinity. Starting phase angle minus 90 degree, ending phase angle 3 poles. So ending phase angle minus 270 degree. So we can draw like this. So here omega 0, here omega infinity. Okay. Yes, here, what is the value of omega BC? What is the value of omega BC?
√2, sir.
Root 2. Find magnitude equation. 10 by omega square root of omega square plus 1 square root of omega square plus 4. So what is magnitude at root 2? 10 by root 2, root 3, root 6. So what is answer? 10 by 6. அப்ப இந்த distance என்னவா இருக்கும்? 10 by 6. So that distance is 10 by 6, which is greater than 1 or less than 1? Greater than 1. அப்ப 1ங்கறத இங்க இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுங்க. Now you can draw like this. Actually, this is called as a unit circle. ஏன்னா இது 10 by 6 greater than 1, அப்ப 1 வந்து இந்த distance எடுத்துக்கலாம். 10 by 6 குள்ள இருக்கும். So now இந்த இத join பண்ணா we can draw a unit circle, radius 1.
சார் அந்த சர்க்கிள் டிரா பண்றது மட்டும் இன்னொரு டைம் சொல்லுங்க சார்.
சர்க்கிள்ங்களா?
எஸ் சார்.
See, 10 by 6 இருக்கா? இந்த பாயிண்ட் தானே 10 by 6, which is less than 1 or greater than 1? 10 by 6 less than 1 or greater than 1? Greater than 1. அப்ப இந்த பாயிண்ட் வந்து 1 ன்னு எடுத்துங்க. அப்ப சர்க்கிள் யூனிட் சர்க்கிள் டிரா பண்ணோம்னா இந்த இடத்துல 1 னா இந்த இடத்துல அதே 1, இங்கேயும் 1, இங்கேயும் 1. அப்ப அத கனெக்ட் பண்ணா யூனிட் சர்க்கிள் வரும்.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகேவா? இப்ப see இந்த போலார் பிளாட் இந்த இடத்துல intersecting the unit circle. அப்ப அத சொல்ல மறந்துட்டேன். Here side ல ரைட் omega gc, கீழ இல்ல சைடுல எழுதிங்க omega gc. What is the definition? Gain cross over frequency. What do you mean by gain cross over frequency? Take, it is a frequency at which m equal to 1. It is a frequency at which m is equal to 1. Or m dB equal to what? 0 dB. Definition of gain crossover frequency: it is a frequency at which m equal to 1. What is the definition of phase crossover frequency?
It is a frequency
at which phase is minus 180 degree. But gain crossover frequency is the frequency at which magnitude is 1. அப்ப see அந்த யூனிட் சர்க்கிளும் போலார் பிளாட் intersect ஆகுதுல, அந்த frequency தான் இது. This frequency தான் இது omega gc. see diagram பாருங்க. போலார் பிளாட் minus 180 டிகிரில கட் ஆகும்ல, அந்த இடத்துல frequency தான் இது omega pc. இதே போலார் பிளாட் யூனிட் சர்க்கிள்னா மேக்னிட்யூட் 1. போலார் பிளாட் யூனிட் சர்க்கிள இன்டர்செக்ட் பண்ணும், அந்த இடத்துல frequency தான் இது omega gc. தமிழ்ல தான் சொல்றேன் பாருங்க. போலார் பிளாட் வந்து minus 180 டிகிரில கட் ஆகும். இந்த ரெட் கலர் தான் போலார் பிளாட். சோ போலார் பிளாட் minus 180 டிகிரில டச் ஆகும், அந்த பாயிண்ட் தான் இது omega pc. இதே போலார் பிளாட் யூனிட் சர்க்கிள்ல டச் ஆகும், அந்த பாயிண்ட் தான் இது omega gc. now okay, omega gc இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கும். now here just இப்படி ஜாயின் பண்ணீங்கன்னா this is phase angle at omega gc. this is phase angle at omega gc. phase angle at omega gc. so அது ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு டிகிரி இங்க இருக்கும். now phase margin, what is the formula for phase margin? 180 degree plus 180 degree plus phase angle at omega gc. now phase margin வந்து பாசிட்டிவ்ல கிடைக்குமா நெகட்டிவ்ல கிடைக்குமா நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். will you get phase margin as positive or negative?
Negative.
Hmm?
Negative.
How phase margin is negative?
Second quadrant ல இருக்கிறது. Third quadrant ல இருக்கிறது.
Correct reason.
Second quadrant ல இருக்கிறதால.
See, இது 180 degree, but இந்த angle வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? -180 degree to -270 degree ல இருக்கும். அப்ப which is greater than அந்த கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிக்காதீங்க. So இந்த angle range என்ன இருக்குன்னா between -180 degree to -270 degree மேல தான் இருக்கும். -180 degree மேல தான் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா இங்க -180 degree to -270 degree. So அப்ப இந்த angle at omega GC is definitely greater than -180 degree. அப்ப result என்னது? Negative degree. Therefore system is stable or unstable? System is unstable. Therefore system is unstable. Note down. Therefore system is unstable. Therefore system is unstable. Take model 2. G of s equal to 6 by s into s plus 1 s plus 2. Take model 2. G of s equal to 6 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. 0 degree, -90 degree, -180 degree, -270 degree. Yes, what is the type number 1? Student, what is type number 1? What is starting phase angle?
-90 degree.
-90 degree. What is starting magnitude?
Infinity.
Infinity. What is ending phase angle? 3 poles up -270 degree end ஆகும். So we can draw like this. Okay. So here okay, here omega infinity, here omega 0. This is you take path number 1. So here we have a omega GC. Sorry, omega PC. First omega PC. Omega PC. Student, what is the value of omega PC?
√2, sir.
√2, sir.
√2. Omega PC √2. Now find the magnitude at omega PC. 6 by √2 √3 √6. So what is the value of magnitude at omega PC?
1.
1. Appa what is this distance? 1 ஆ இருக்கும். So now இங்க 1 ஆ இருக்கிறப்ப இங்கேயும் 1, here also 1, here also 1. இது கொஞ்சம் இப்படி வந்து வரும். See இங்க 1 ஆ இருக்கிறப்ப அதே இது இங்கேயும் 1, இங்கேயும் 1, இங்கேயும் 1. Now just connect. So this you take as a unit circle. So unit circle polar plot, what are intersecting at this point? That point is called as a omega. Online student, tell me. This red color is polar plot, blue color is unit circle. That unit circle and polar plot intersecting at a point. That point is called as omega
GC.
அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல omega PC அதேதான், omega GC also same √2 தான் வரும். Now to find a phase margin, what is the formula? 180 degree plus phase angle at omega GC. So 180 degree plus what is phase angle at omega GC? See omega PC, omega GC same. Appa omega PC la what is phase angle?
-180 degree.
-180 degree. Therefore what is phase margin? 0 degree. Therefore we can say marginally stable system. phase margin 0 degree, therefore we can say marginally stable. Phase margin 0 degree, therefore marginally stable system. என்ன சொல்லுங்க, என்ன டவுட்? எனி டவுட்? பவர் இருக்கான்னு பாத்துக்கீங்க. இதுல மொபைல்ல ஆஃப் ஆயிர போகுது. Yes, now take model 3. Take model 3. G of s equal to 1 by s into s plus 1 s plus 2. Take model 3. G of s equal to 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2. 1 by s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 saying 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. Yes, what is the type number? Student, what is type number?
1 sir.
1. So starting phase angle minus 90 degree and starting magnitude infinity. But what is ending phase angle?
Minus
3 poles.
270.
1, 2, 3 poles ending phase angle minus 270 degree. So here omega 0, here omega infinity. So this is path number 1. Now for this problem also, what is omega BC?
√2.
What is omega BC? √2. What is magnitude at omega BC? 1 by 6 வரும். நீங்க சால்வ் பண்ணா அதேதான். இங்க 1 by √2, √3, √6, 1 by 6. So now this distance is 1 by 6. So inga 1 by 6 less than 1 or greater than 1? 1 by 6 less than 1. அப்போ 1 எங்க இருக்கும்? இந்த 1 by 6 அவுட் சைடு இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுங்க. இங்க இருக்கும், இங்க இருக்கும், இங்க இருக்கும், நெக்ஸ்ட் இங்க இருக்கும். Just now connect. So this is unit circle. So what do you mean by omega GC? Gain crossover frequency at which magnitude equal to 1. So polar plot intersecting unit circle at this point. So at this point, what is frequency? Omega GC. So red color polar plot, blue color unit circle intersect ஆகும். அந்த point தான் இது omega GC. At now find a phase margin. 180 degree plus phase angle at omega GC. Now this, can we say this is positive degree? Why?
Between -90 to
Because of
-90.
180 degree plus இந்த angle எதுல இருந்து வரும்? -90 degree ல இருந்து -180 degree குள்ள வந்துரும். அப்ப result is positive or negative? Positive degree. Therefore system is stable. அப்ப 3 model. First model la unstable, second model la stable, marginally stable, in third model stable system. That's very important conclusion.
சார் இந்த செகண்ட் மாடல்ல வந்து -180 கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம்ல, அது எப்படின்னு ஒரு தடவை
See, omega PC, omega GCU same. அது ஓகேவா?
ஓகே சார்.
அப்ப what is omega PC or definition? It is a frequency at which phase angle is
-180.
-180 degree. அப்ப omega PC ல -180 degree இருக்கும் phase angle. omega PC ல -180 degree னா omega GC ல என்னதான்? -180 degree. இப்போ ஓகேவா?
ஓகே சார், புரியுது.
அப்ப 180 degree phase angle at omega GC is -180 degree. ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்றப்ப 0 degree, so marginally stable. Now my question. Okay, thank you. Now my question. omega PC greater than omega GC. அது என்ன system? Stable, unstable, marginally stable.
Unstable, sir.
Omega PC greater than omega GC. Answer?
Unstable.
Unstable. Wrong answer. Diagram பாருங்க. So இந்த diagramல omega PC equal to omega GC. என்ன answer? Marginally stable. Okay, wow. Omega PC equal to omega GC. So we can say marginally stable. But இங்க பாருங்க இந்த இடத்துல what is frequency? At this point, polar plot intersecting minus 180 degree. At this point, what is frequency? Omega
GC.
PC. இங்க தான் omega GC. அப்ப இதுல எது பெருசு? omega PC பெருசா omega GC பெருசா? Which one is the larger one?
Omega GC.
Omega GC எப்படி வரும்? Omega PC the largest frequency. How will you draw the polar plot? By varying omega from
Okay, sir.
0 to infinity. அப்ப இங்க omega ஓட வேல்யூ என்னது? 0
Minus
1
0.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1000 2000 5000 அப்படியே போய் இன்ஃபினிட்டிக்கு போகும். அப்ப which one is highest? omega PC யா omega GC யா? omega PC. அப்ப omega PC greater than omega GC na what type of system? Stable system.
Stable system.
But omega PC less than omega GC. Now see here. All of student 1 minute listen word. இந்த இடத்துல what is frequency? Omega PC. இந்த இடத்துல what is frequency? Omega GC. அப்ப இங்க எது highest? Omega GC யா omega PC யா?
Omega
GC.
Omega GC greater than omega PC. Therefore we can say unstable system. இது ரொம்ப important conclusion. If omega PC greater than omega GC, stable system. If omega PC less than omega GC, unstable system. If omega PC equal to omega GC, marginally stable system. So இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு first time பார்க்கறனால தான் இது கஷ்டமா தெரியும். ஏன்னா நானும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வருஷம் எடுக்கிறப்ப கொஞ்சம் என்ன இத்தனை இருக்குன்னு தெரியும். பட் 2-3 times ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணால எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியா போயிடுச்சு. அதே மாதிரி நான் கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் கிளாஸ் எடுத்து அப்ராக்சிமேட்டா 2 years ஆக போகுது. ஸோ 2 years நான் கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் படிக்கவும் இல்லை, நோட்டை ஓப்பன் பண்ணவும் இல்லை. பட் நான் வந்து இன்னைக்கு பாருங்க ஃபுல்லா மேரேஜ் ஃபங்க்ஷன் போயிட்டு நல்லா காலையிலையும் சாப்பிட்டு மதியமும் நல்லா கல்யாண சாப்பாடு சாப்பிட்டு வந்து உங்களுக்கு கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறேன். நான் ஏதாச்சும் மறந்துட்டுனா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், நான் ஏதாச்சும் மறந்துட்டுனா தப்பா சொல்லி தரனா? யாருக்கு தெரியுமா? யாரு தெரியும் கேக்குறீங்களா? அப்பப்ப கொஞ்சம் தப்பா சொல்லி தருவேன். நீங்க என்னையோட மார்க் அதிகமா எடுத்துட்டா என்ன பண்றது? ஈஸி ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ஒருத்தங்க ஆன்சர் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க, யாருன்னு உங்களுக்கே தெரியும். ஈஸியில ஒருத்தங்க நம்ம சென்டர்ல என்னை விட நிறைய படிச்சிருக்காங்க. 3 பேர் நிறைய படிச்சிருக்காங்க என்னை விட. அந்த 3 பேர்த்தோட நான் கம்மியா தான் படிச்சிருக்கேன் ஈஸி. ஸோ அதனால ஈஸி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் என்னை விட மார்க் அதிகமா எடுக்கக்கூடாதுன்ட்டு அப்பப்ப கொஞ்சம் தப்பா சொல்லி தருவேன் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பாயிண்ட் எல்லாம். ஓகேவா? நீங்க தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சுக்கணும் புக்கை வச்சு. என்ன புரியல? நீங்க ஈஸியோட சேர்ந்தீங்கன்னா ட்ரிபிளிக்கு தான் தப்பா சொல்லி தருவேன். நாரோட சேர்ந்த என்ன பூவோட சேர்ந்த நாரும் மணக்கும், அது மாதிரி ட்ரிபிளிக்கும் கொஞ்சம் தப்பா சொல்லி தருவேன். நீங்க போய் புக் எடுத்து செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, நான் கரெக்டா சரியா தப்பா சொல்றேன்ட்டு. போறா சொல்ற ஒரு காமன் நேரத்துக்கு சொல்றேன். ஓகே, சோ இதை நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Yes, question. G of s equal to 1 by s plus 1 whole cube. Find the gain margin and phase margin. G of s equal to 1 by s plus 1 whole cube. Find the gain margin and phase margin. Find the gain margin and phase margin. One by s plus 1 whole cube. Find the gain margin and phase margin. So 0 degree minus 90 degree minus 18 degree minus 270 degree. So what is the type number of the system? Student,
Zero,
what
sir.
is type number?
0, sir.
0, sir.
Yes, type number 0. What is starting phase angle? 0 degree. But what is magnitude?
1, sir.
1. At omega equals 0, substitute omega 0, s0, upon 1 by 1 cube 1. At omega equals 0, magnitude 1. What is ending phase angle?
270 degrees, sir.
3 poles,
270.
so minus 270 degree. This is ending phase angle. Here omega infinity, magnitude 0. Omega infinity, magnitude 0. Yes, what is the value of omega PC? Here we have omega PC.
1.
Formula, square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 omega PC equal to root 3. Omega PC equal to root 3. Now what is magnitude equation? 1 by square root of omega square plus 1 whole cube. And then S replaced by j omega. For this magnitude equation, square root of omega square plus 1 power 3 irukku. Now find magnitude at omega PC. What is value? 1 by square root of 4 whole cube. So what is the value? 1 by 8. So what is gain margin? 1 by magnitude at omega PC, therefore 8. But if you need a gain margin in dB, what you can say? 20 log of 8. But anyway, 8 greater than 1, stable system or unstable system? Stable system. Stable system. What is the value of 20 log 8? Check with calculator. This calci illama solve panna mudiyadhu. Log 8. 18 point. Yes. 18.06 dB. 18.06 dB. 18.06 dB. Yes, now what is the value of omega GC? Refer the diagram and tell me. Correct? What is the value of omega GC?
Minus 180 degree.
Omega, what is the definition of omega GC? Omega GC is a frequency at which magnitude equal to 1. Upper, what is omega GC? 0. And at omega equals 0, what is magnitude? 1. So what is omega GC? 0. So what is the phase angle at omega GC?
0.
Yes, what is phase angle at omega GC? 0 degree. What is phase margin formula? 180 degree plus phase angle at omega GC. Therefore, 180 degree. So phase margin 180 degree. Therefore, stable system or unstable system? Stable system. Phase margin positive. Therefore, stable system.
Sir, omega GC is 0.
Magnitude 1 ngrappa irukra frequency da omega GC. So
Okay,
from this polar plot at omega equals 0, what is magnitude? 1. So omega GC equal to 0. Okay, va?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, second problem. G of s equal to 10 by s plus 1 into s plus 2. Find a phase margin. G of s equal to 10 by s plus 1 into s plus 2. 0 degree, minus 90 degree, minus 18 degree, minus 270 degree. Yes, at omega equals 0, what is magnitude?
5, sir.
5.
Very good, 5. So I put S0, 10 by 2, 5. What is ending phase angle?
Minus
2 poles.
180
So
degree.
ending phase angle minus
180
180 degree. So here omega infinity magnitude 0. See your concept just 1 minute. இது வேற சம 1 by 2.5. Okay. See sorry இது வந்து 10 வேண்டாம் 1 எடுத்துங்க. Take it as a 1. Sorry. Take it as a 1. So now yes, at omega equals 0, what is magnitude? 1 by 2, 0.5. Yes, what is polar plot run? What is next step? We have to find omega GC. So how will you find omega GC? Draw a unit circle. In the distance another 1 by 2. அப்ப 1 ங்கறது வெளிய இருக்கும். So 1 ங்கறது maybe இங்க இருக்குன்னு assume பண்ணீங்க. So you can connect like this. This is unit circle. See at omega equals 0 ல தான் we have a maximum magnitude of 1 by 2. போக magnitude என்ன ஆகும்? டிக்ரீஸ் ஆயிட்டே போயிட்டு ஃபைனலா 0 ஆகும். அப்ப கண்டிப்பா யூனிட் சர்க்கிள் அந்த பிளாட் போலார் பிளாட்டுக்கு அவுட் சைடு தான் இருக்கும். அப்ப is it polar plot intersecting the unit circle?
No, sir.
No. Take polar plot does not intersect the unit circle. 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 So polar plot unit circle intersect ஆகும். அந்த இடத்துல இருக்கிற frequency name தான் என்னது?
Omega GC.
Omega GC. But in a polar plot does not intersecting unit circle. Therefore omega GC cannot be determined. Therefore omega GC cannot be determined. Omega GC cannot be determined. Omega GC cannot be determined. இந்த சம்முக்கு omega GC என்னது? ஆப்ஷன்ல 0 இருந்தாலும் wrong, infinity இருந்தாலும் wrong. எதுதான் கரெக்ட்? Cannot be determined. But omega GC cannot be determined na phase margin assumed as infinity. So phase margin assumed as infinity. For undetermined value of omega GC, phase margin taken as infinity. Phase margin taken as infinity. For undetermined value of omega GC, for undetermined value of omega GC, phase margin taken as infinity. Phase margin taken as infinity. Yes, அப்ப phase margin infinity na என்ன system? Absolutely stable system. Phase margin infinity, therefore absolutely stable system. Phase margin infinity, therefore absolutely stable system. Absolutely stable system. Yes, important concept of polar plot, Nyquist plot, relative stability analysis using gain margin, phase margin completed. Next you have to take the practice of previous year gate questions and IES question. So question practice நீங்க தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். So இப்பதான் passage join பண்றீங்கன்னா you have to take more practice. நீங்க ஆல்ரெடி லாஸ்ட் இயர் ஜாயின் பண்ண ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. பட் இப்பதான் லாஸ்ட் 1 month 2 monthsல ஜாயின் பண்ற ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் we can teach theory now, but you have to take more practice. So more practice எடுக்கலைன்னா மறுபடியும் என்ன பண்ணணும்? அடுத்த பேட்சுக்கு அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணணும். வேற நான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? So லேட்டா ஜாயின் பண்ண ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் you only have to take more practice. அதே மாதிரி டெஸ்ட் கண்டிப்பா அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ நீங்க லேட்டா ஜாயின் பண்ண ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு செப்பரேட்டா டெஸ்ட் இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி இன்னையில இருந்து டெய்லி டெஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது. ஏற்கனவே இன்ஃபார்ம்ட் இன் குரூப். ஸோ ஃப்ரம் டுடே ஆன்வர்ட்ஸ் டெய்லி டெஸ்ட் ஷெட்யூல் எல்லாமே குரூப்ல போட்டிருப்போம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 4 days மேக்ஸ், அப்புறம் 5th டே வந்து மேக்ஸ் ஃபுல் டெஸ்ட், அதுக்கப்புறம் சப்ஜெக்ட் வரும். இசி பேப்பர் ஒன்று, ட்ரிபிள் இ பேப்பர் ஒன்று வரும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நெட்வொர்க் தியரி, அடுத்தது ட்ரிபிள் இ பேப்பர், இசி ட்ரிபிள் இ பேப்பர். ஸோ ட்ரிபிள் இ பேப்பர் வரப்ப பேரலா இசி பேப்பர் வரும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நெட்வொர்க் தியரி, செகண்ட் சப்ஜெக்ட் என்னது? யாராச்சும் பாத்தீங்களா ஷெட்யூல்? ஷெட்யூல் ஐ இன்ஃபார்ம்ட் இன் குரூப் நோ. மெஷின்ஸ். ஸோ மெஷின்ஸ் வரப்ப இசிக்கு என்ன பேப்பர் வரும்? அனலாக் சர்க்யூட்ஸ் வரும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். சாரி இஎம்டி வரும். ஸோ நான் ஷெட்யூல் போட்டிருப்பேன், செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மெஷின்ஸ் சர்க்யூட் நெட்வொர்க் தியரியா? வாட் இஸ் செகண்ட் பேப்பர்? நெக்ஸ்ட் பேப்பர் மெஷின்ஸ். ஓகே, network theory EMT first paper, second machines, third control system, fourth power system, fifth digital circuits and microprocessor, sixth power electronics, seventh DSP, eighth communication. Okay, communication system networks, computer networks and போட்டிருப்போம். ஸோ இதுதான் சிலபஸ் ஓட டெஸ்ட் சீரிஸோட ஃப்ளோ. ஸோ இது மறந்துடாதீங்க. பட் கேன் யூ ரிப்பீட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பேப்பர்? ஆன்லைன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ரிப்பீட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் சொன்னேன். வாட் இஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேப்பர்?
மேக்ஸ்.
மேக்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் டெக்னிக்கல் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேப்பர்
Max.
மெஷின்ஸ்.
நெட்வொர்க்ஸ் பிளஸ் இஎம்டி. வாட் இஸ் செகண்ட் பேப்பர்?
Theory.
எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் மெஷின். தேர்ட் பேப்பர்
கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம்.
Machines. Control system.
Yes, what is third paper? Control system. Fourth paper
பவர் சிஸ்டம் சார்.
power system. Fifth paper